Always switch it on. .372 XP, big bore. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed hearing these beauties run. Yeah, just a bit of a clickbaity title, but I thought I would switch on the camera and just see what you want. What do you think? Obviously, I don't want to turn this into a Stihl versus Husky versus the world, which is the best chainsaw discussion, because I love them all, as you can hopefully see from that little bit of work we've just done. But it is interesting, isn't it? I definitely have gravitated towards this 65 to 80 cc saw range, I'd say. They've got all the power of you could want, really, but they have got that sort of, you know, when you're in a smaller stuff like this, or they're the sort of saws that you can use for hours. Yes, we've got bigger saws. I've got 2100 and big makitas and all sorts of stuff, but those saws I find you can use for an hour, and that, you know, unless you're a bigger lad than I am, you know, they're difficult to use all day. So I think these are the sweet spot, aren't they? But even then, you get some interesting problems, not problems, but you know, this 7900 and this, where are we? This 461, 76, 79 cc, whereas the old 372 XP, as much as we love them, are only just over 70 cc at the end of the day. And you know, I think that extra 6 to 10 cc does make a difference. Especially even in small stuff like this, you just need to do like 2 little kicks of the throttle and you're through. But then, yeah, that slightly smaller form factor is easier to get hold of. So really, there's no winner, is there? There's certainly not for me. I love running them all, and it's just really nice to feel the difference, see the difference, experience them all. I just love running all these things, really. So what is your favourite saw to run? If you had this little pile of wood to buck up, what would be your saw that you would pick up? Let me know, and yeah, see you on the next video. Give us a like and a subscribe and that stuff, and let me know, what's your favourite saw? Which one of these would you pick up to run? All on full chisels, by the way, all on a 26 inch, 25 inch and 24 inch bar. So yeah, pretty evenly matched. See you again on the next video. Cheers.